Most people who park in the wrong place don't intend to cause trouble. They believe they'll be back quickly, that everything is still under control. But traffic doesn't operate on personal assumptions. It takes just one car stopped in the wrong spot for the entire line of vehicles behind it to be affected. Park time captures the moments when those two perspectives collide, and when the story takes an unexpected turn. A reason to choose this car practical and useful at the same time. This boat looks strange today. It can swim on land too. In this situation, who do you think is right and who is wrong? The outcome of parking in the wrong place and blocking a snowplow from doing its job. Someone must have checked where it would land before pushing it, right? Please check your vehicle before driving for your own safety and for everyone around you. The owner probably wasn't expecting a free car wash like this. Don't pick a fight with women. You never know what they might do. Wow, this car is huge. It took me several minutes just to get it onto the truck.
Hey.
A new idea for car decals. This one is next level.
This is some funny shit. To the tree.
Parking for your own convenience can turn into a serious hazard for others. When parking along the roadside, choose a clear, visible spot and avoid curves and intersections. Even if you're an officer, you should still follow the rules. Park in the wrong place, and your car gets a change of address, no notice required. The ending for those who ignored earlier warnings. Could someone's wife please come pick him up? Pay attention to where you park and stay clear of pedestrian crossings. Don't be like this car. A suggested way to exit a parking lot for beginners. It might be better to switch drivers. Getting the car out is taking way too long. The outcome for someone who took a parking spot meant for women. I thought they were just playing around together. This car must have wings to park in a place like that. Are you sure she understands traffic laws? I'm guessing not.
Говорят, девушки плохо водят. Оп,
Shouldn't a careless
ты
driver
пожалуйста,
like
не
this be
забудь, ничего
fined?
страшного. Оп.
This level of professionalism is something very few people can pull off. To squeeze into that parking spot, he must have thought about this for a long time. How long do you think it would take you to park here? Let me know in the comments. Do you really have a driver's license, or did you just barely pass the test? With skills like this, the driver must have scored a perfect 100 on the driving test. You can't grow here, this is my road. I'll just demonstrate once for you guys to see. Where did my wheel go, buddy? Why are you driving on 3? The car seems to be saying, "Let go of me, I don't want to live with you anymore." Oh no, this car should be preserved, don't drive it like that.
Now, good boy, come here, sit down. Good boy.
He's like, "Look, Dad, it's rolling."
Come here. Come on.
I hope you have a better horn to replace this one. It sounds like a tin can.
Emergency video.
You really didn't have to give us such a warm welcome. This is way too expensive. It must have been going pretty fast. Make sure you watch your speed. Don't stop me. I just want to go for a swim. Do you know about this car theft? These two guys took it while the owner was inside the house. Is this a car or a bird, everyone? Your car probably doesn't want to go swimming like this either. Easy, easy. My friend, there will be a solution. The result of parking in front of someone else's house, please use designated parking spots. Oh, my beloved new car. I didn't even get the chance to show it off yet. Is this cargo being shipped or an act of revenge? Do you know? He's hot-tempered, but this response is surprisingly well handled. These cars look like they're going shopping for items bigger than themselves. This tow truck is no ordinary one. Honestly, it already looks impressive in real life. On video, it's even cooler, because it was built to carry supercars, not regular vehicles. Looks like he just argued with his wife and clearly lost. He must be having a really bad day, right?
A few moments later.
So hot-headed, my friend, after this. Can it even be called a car anymore? A small choice on the road rarely affects just one person. Its consequences usually spread much further. Park time captures those moments, when an individual decision unintentionally becomes a problem for an entire stretch of road. Follow Park Time to keep experiencing stories like these.